Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. I'm Habib Alwi. Okay, so I'm going to talk about a musical instrument that is easy to play and you can learn if you want to, which is a recorder. A brief introduction about recorder. Recorder is a family of woodwind musical instruments in the group known as internal duct flutes, which are flutes with a mouthpiece. Recorders are made in different sizes with names and composers roughly corresponding to different vocal ranges. Like for an example, for this one is a soprano recorder. The lowest note it can make is C2 and the highest one is the D4. But if you find in the internet, this one can actually go higher than D4. There is two types of fingering style for using this soprano recorder, which is the first one is Baroque fingering style and the second one is German fingering style. For me, I would use the German fingering style because it is much more simpler than the Baroque one. There are three things at least you have to know in order to play a recorder. Okay, the first one, you have to know the fingering of each notes. Like I mentioned before, from C2 to D4 for this soprano recorder. The second one, you have to know how to blow your recorder. Actually, you have to also use your tongue to control your whistle. The third one, you have to know the notes of the song that you want to play. Like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, for an example, the first part is C, C, G, G, A, A, G. There are many music sheets that you can find in the internet. Here's a tip for you if you want to play the recorder, but you are worried if the sound would disturb anybody else because the sound that it makes is actually quite loud. You can find a paper, then you rip it to a tiny piece, and then you put it in the hole here. So if you can see, there is actually, this is the paper I put in the hole. So when I blow it up, it would sound like. Okay, last but not least, you have to clean your recorder regularly because inside here there could be dust and bacteria that could affect your breath. So that's all from me. Thank you. Stay clean, stay hygiene, stay safe, and stay at home. Okay, bye bye.